Looking for outdoor fire pit ideas? The materials involved aren't exactly cheap. Think cast iron, stone, concrete, etc., but with a little persistence, you can find affordable outdoor fire pits. Here we've rounded up 35 of the best fire pits ideas. You'll find a wide range of styles. Some are proper steel basins, others are fire baskets, and others are more like fire pits for cooking. 1. Tabletop fire bowl. Give your table a makeover with a petite tabletop fire pit like this one. It's available in Suffolk tan, pictured, or pearl gray. 2. Newcastle propane fire bowl. How grand is this propane-powered fire bowl that sits atop a stone pillar? 3. Revolver fire pit. The hardwood top on this portable steel fire pit transforms into a table in seconds. It also comes with a grill grate to cook over. 4. Steel fire bowl. This black cast iron fire pit is a great bargain and a deal for a small patio. It's just over 13.5 inches tall and has a diameter of 2 inches. It's on the smaller side, but it gets the job done. 5. DePonte Outdoor Polyresin Wood Burning Fire Pit. This matte all-black option has a convenient stacking system built in for firewood. 6. Boo Fire Basket. This one goes out to all the Scandinavian design lovers. We especially love the dramatic 360-degree view of the fire. 7. Estelle Iron Propane Fire Pit. Simple and streamlined, this fire pit is ideal for the minimalist. Like many of the fire pits on this list, it's safe to put on your wooden deck, and if you prefer, you can always add a heat-resistant mat under it for 8. Rustic Cast Iron Fire Pit Bowl. This fire pit, made of heavy-duty cast iron, comes in rust, pictured, or steel, and is available in several sizes. 24-inch diameter times 14-inch height, 30-inch diameter times 15-inch height, 34-inch diameter times 16-inch height. 9. Tremont Fire Pit. Sleek and sculptural, the elegant elevation of this example from Crate and Barrel is meant to evoke a 10. Asher Ceramic Wood Burning Fire Pit. With a pop of color and a retro-inspired design, this fun ceramic pit can also be used on a hardwood deck. 11. Personal Concrete Fireplace. If you're looking for an indoor option, turn to what is perhaps the most adorable option on the list. This mini fire pit is meant for one and less than 6 inches tall. 12. Pietra Faux Stone Gas Fire Pit. The earthen look of this freestanding faux fire pit is so inviting. Can't you just picture gathering around it with your guests? This fire pit is powered by propane and comes with a protective cover. 13. Anson Steel Modern Fire Pit. This fire pit is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. The wood-burning fire bowl measures 31.75 inches in diameter and comes with a fire poker, log grate, smoke screen, and cover. 14. Bonfire Fire Pit. Grab some fresh firewood. This pit's ready to burn 'em. Made of stainless steel, this portable pit emits minimal ash and smoke thanks to its patented technology. 15. Personalized Fire Pit. Light shines through the decorative cutouts in this steel fire pit that converts into a grill. The versatile unit comes complete with a spark screen, cooking grate, and poker. It also has a safety handle, which makes it easy to transport.